Welcome, my name is Rory McCaw, and I'm going to take you on a guided tour of Windows Server 2003. In this exercise 5-6, we're going to look at configuring scavenging properties on a DNS server. So to start this process off, we're going to click on Start, select Administrative Tools, and choose DNS. From the DNS console, within the DNS console, we're simply going to right-click on the name of our DNS server and select Properties. It's within the DNS server properties that we're able to select the Advanced tab, and on the Advanced tab, easily enable the automatic scavenging of stale records. What this means is that if certain records become outdated or stale after a certain period of time, in this case after 7 days, the DNS service will go through and purge or delete all of those old records that are older than 7 days. So that if you had a client that supported dynamic DNS or that didn't support dynamic DNS, and for whatever reason, when that client disjoined the network, let's say it was a mobile device and it left the network, it released its IP address, but it didn't send a registration update to DNS to say delete or purge my record because I'm no longer connected to your network, then the automatic scavenging process will take care of that for us. Now, scavenging has to be set in 2 different areas, and as you can see, the interval, the time interval, is fully configurable here. It can be either days or hours, and the default is 7 days. But it has to be set up first of all on the server, and then it can be set up on individual records and at the actual forward or reverse lookup zones, and within each of those zones themselves. So we simply click OK here, and now we've enabled scavenging of stale resource records after 7 days. And that brings us to the conclusion of exercise 5-6.